Their major goal in this negotiation was to get maximum sanctions relief in exchange for absolute minimal nuclear concessions. And that's basically what they got with this deal.
Emily Landau, an Israeli nuclear expert, believes Iran won the negotiations. It can walk away from the deal at any time. And the agreement failed to address Iran's ballistic missile program.
Their biggest victory is not having their breakout capability destroyed, undermined, dismantled. Not only that, they gained legitimacy for their uranium enrichment.
While the deal puts restraints on Iran for 10 or 15 years, Landau says they don't mind.
Looking at the long term, which is what Iran does, they've kept their breakout capability, even if they have to wait out 10 to 15 years till the sunset clause comes into effect, and all these restrictions that we're talking about, whether they uphold them, whether they violate, everything will be lifted, and then they will be much better positioned in any case to move towards a nuclear weapons capability.
While ISIS has seized the headlines in the West, Landau and Lopez believe Iran remains the far greater danger.
A country that can develop intercontinental ballistic missile capabilities that could, maybe within 10 years even, reach the United States, obviously we're talking about a different order of magnitude.